Good morning to students and viewers. So today's topic is question number 16 is the sum of the certain terms of AP 25, 22, 19 is 116. Find the last term. So we have to find the last term. So first term is 25 of the series, and we have to find the common difference also. So we write A is equal to 25 and the series is 25 and 22 and 19. This is a series. 25, 22, 19 and so on, the series goes on. Okay, so second term is 22, first term is 25, so second term minus first term is equal to 20, second term minus a2 minus a1 is equal to 22 minus 25, so this is equal to minus 3. So ये हो जाएगा आपका common difference. So this is common difference is there, and then next is we have to find out the sum of the series. This is the common difference, we have marked it. And now next is which is given as find the last term. You have to find this last term. If the sum of the series is given, sum of the certain series is given, so Sn का क्या formula होता है? Sum of the n terms Sn. So this is the sum of the n terms. N terms की कितना formula है? 116. तो 116 is given. तो Sn is equal to n by 2 is equal to 116 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. 2 into a कितना है? 25 plus n minus 1. n minus 1 is n is not given, so n minus 1 into minus 3. So this is given. So now we have to solve it. 116 into 2 cross multiplication हो जाएगा is equal to n into 2 50 minus 3 into n minus 1. So this is equal to 50 into 50 minus 3n plus 3. So this is n into 53 minus 3n. 53 minus 3n square and 3n square minus 3n plus 232 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, so you have to find out that take the factors. 3n square minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 equal to 0. So we'll take 29 common here. So ये आ जाएगा आपका n minus 8. 9 into 72. So ये आ जाएगा equal to 0. 3n minus 9 whole into n minus 8 is equal to 0. So 3n minus 9 equal to 0, comma n minus 8 equal to 0. So n is equal to 9 by 3. So this is n is equal to 8. So n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8. So this is the answer. For the seventh question, find the sum of the n terms of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. So the kth term is 5k plus 1. So kth ak is equal to an is equal to a plus k minus 1 n minus 1 whole into d. So this is the kth term is given as 5k plus 1. So this is equal to 5k plus 1. So this is the equation a plus kd minus d is equal to 5k plus 1. So now comparing the coefficients of k, comparing the coefficients of k, coefficients of k on both sides. We have to compare the coefficients. So k is equal to d is equal to 5. D is equal to 5 on comparing. And next one is a minus d is equal to 1. A minus d is equal to 1. So a minus 5, because d is 5, so 5 आ जाएगा इसका आंसर 1. So a is equal to 6. So we have got the a. Now we have to find out, क्या find करना है हमें? The seventh question, find the sum of the n terms. So sum of the n terms is Sn. Sum of the n terms is n by 2 whole into 2 into a plus n minus 1 whole into d. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा n by 2 और 2 into 6 plus n minus 1 whole into d is how much? 5. 5 है ना यहाँ पे, तो 5 आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So is equal to n by 2 whole into 12 plus 5 into n minus 1. So this is the answer. This is equal to n by 2 whole into 12 plus 5n minus 5. So this is equal to n by 2 7 plus 5n divided by 2. So this is the answer of this question. 7n plus 5n square divided by 2. So this is the answer of this question. Move on towards the 8th question. Sum of the n terms of an AP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants. Find the common difference. So this is the 8th question. Sum of the n terms of an AP. So n terms के लिए होता है Sn is equal to n by 2 whole into 2a plus n minus 1 whole into d. So this is given as Pn plus Qn square. Pn plus Qn square. This is given as Pn plus Qn square. Okay. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 whole into d is equal to Pn plus Qn square. So n by 2 is 2an plus n minus 1 whole into d into n is equal to 2pn plus 2qn square. So now we have to 2an plus n square d n square d and minus nd. So this is equal to 2pn plus 2qn square. On comparing the coefficients of n square, we get 2q is equal to d. So 2q is equal to d. So we have to find out d, not d is equal to 2q. This is the common difference. So this is 2q is the answer of this question. Question the 9th question. The sum of the n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18th terms. This is the 9th question of NCERT. So let us assume that the first AP का जो first term, second term is A1, A2 and D1, D2 is common difference of the two APs, first AP and second AP. Be the first term, second term, first term and common difference of two APs, of two AP series. ठीक है. So now we have to find out first series P. Sn1 is equal to n by 2. So n by 2 तो n by 2 ही रहेगा. n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 whole into d1. ये हो जाएगा फर्स्ट का रेशियो. इसको डिवाइड कर देंगे n by 2 whole into 2a2 plus n minus 1 whole into d2. So इसका जो रेशियो दे रखा है that is given as here 9th question का 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. 9n plus 6. ठीक है. So ये आपका रेशियो दे रखा है. So this n by 2 gets cancelled. So we are left with 2a1 plus n minus 1 whole into d1 divided by 2a2 plus n minus 1 whole into d2. So this is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. So the ratio. So now we have to put the value of like a1, and next is putting the value of n is equal to 35. So we have to put down the value of 35. n की वैल्यू क्या रखनी है हमने 35. So 2a1 plus 35 minus 1 whole into d1 divided by 2a2 plus 35 minus 1 whole into d2. So this is equal to 5 into 35 plus 4 divided by 9 into 35 plus 6. So this is 2a1 plus 34d1 divided by 2a2 plus 34 into d2. So this is equal to 5 7 25 to 5 is 15 to 17, 175 plus 4 divided by 9 5 to 45, 4 9 31, so 315 plus 6. So this is two common का हम ले सकते हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा a1 plus 17 into d1 divided by 2, इससे कॉमन ले लेते हैं, a2 plus 17 into d2. So this is equal to 179 divided by 321. So now this is the 2 gets cancelled. So a1 plus a plus n minus 1. So this is a plus n minus 1 whole into d. तो n is equal to कितना हो जाएगा 18, तभी तो a plus 17d आएगा. n is equal to 18, so 18 आएगा तो 18th term. This is the 18th term. So the ratio of this is the 18th term because 17 आ गया ना, तो n minus 1 a plus n minus 1 whole into d. So n is equal to 18. n is equal to 18 आएगा. The ratio of 18th term of both the series is 179 divided by 321. Go to 10th question. If the sum of the first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of the q terms, then find the sum of the first p plus q terms. So the sum of the p terms. So sum of the p terms will be p terms हो जाएगा p by 2 n by 2 whole into 2a plus p minus 1 whole into d. So this is equal to q terms. P terms is equal to q terms of a series. ठीक है. Sum of the p terms is equal to the sum of the first q terms. First q terms is q by 2 whole into 2a plus q minus 1 whole into d. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So यह आ जाएगा आपका 2ap plus p minus 1 whole into d into p. So this is equal to 2aq plus q into minus 1 whole into d into q. So this is 2ap plus p square d minus dp is equal to 2aq plus q square d minus qd. So इसको इधर ले जाते हैं सबको. So this is 2ap plus p square d minus dp minus 2aq minus q square d plus qd is equal to 0. So this is 2ap and 2aq. So एक मिनट इसमें d तो कॉमन ले लेते हैं हम लोग. 2ap and 2aq. 2ap minus 2aq and plus if you take d common in it, ap square minus 1 and minus plus ये आ जाएगा आपका डी कॉमन लिया ना हमने, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा पी स्क्वायर माइनस पी एंड माइनस क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस क्यू. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. सो 2 इन कॉमन ले लेते हैं, ए कॉमन ले लेते हैं. सो दिस इज p minus q. This is equal to minus d into p square minus p minus q square plus q. So this is equal to minus d whole into p square minus q square. So this is p square minus q square, हो जाएगा p square minus q square. अगर हम माइनस इसमें से कॉमन ले लें तो p माइनस q आ जाएगा इसमें. So this is equal to minus d into p plus q into p minus q. Minus 1 is common, so p minus q. This is equal to minus d into p minus q कॉमन हो गया और ये बन गया आपका p माइनस q कॉमन ले लिया दोनों में से, तो p प्लस q माइनस 1. सो यहाँ पे भी आपका 2a p माइनस q है. सो दिस pq माइनस q माइनस q कैंसल्स हो जाता है. So 2a is equal to minus d into p plus q minus 1. So d is equal to हो जाएगा आपका 2a by माइनस में वहाँ लगे हूँ तो ये माइनस 2a रख लो यहाँ पे p plus q minus 1. So d आ गया हमारा ये, ठीक है. So we have to find out sum of the first p plus q terms. So p plus q term का सम कितना हो जाएगा? So sum of the p plus q terms is equal to p plus n by 2. n by 2 कितना हो जाएगा? p plus q terms है तो n by 2 ये हो जाएगा. n by 2 into 2 into a. a is how much? 2a. तो a का a रह जाएगा. 2a plus n minus 1. n minus 1 मतलब 2 p के plus q minus 1. n minus 1 whole into d. So d is how much? Minus 2a divided by p plus q minus 1. So this is this and this gets cancelled here. So this is equal to p plus q divided by 2 whole into 2a minus 2a. So this gets cancelled and this is equal to p plus q divided by 2 into 0. So this is equal to 0. So answer is 0.